Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up scan on Thinkorswim, only way. Click the Scan tab, pick Stock Hacker, add filters like last price and volume, then apply study filters as needed. Arrange columns to display results you care about, test the scan with different watch lists, and save the scan with a clear name. This approach keeps your workflow tidy and repeatable for faster idea discovery. Choose filters deliberately to focus on setups that match your strategy. Begin with price and volume to remove illiquid symbols, then add technical studies for pattern confirmation. Adjust thresholds and test results until the output is manageable and relevant. Use named presets for common strategies so you can retest quickly. Periodically review and tweak filters as market conditions change to keep scans effective and actionable. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading strategy notes on the go and relaxing between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned so you can grab one if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After building a scan, save it with a clear descriptive name and folder for easy access. Choose the watch list or the entire market depending on urgency, and run the scan to populate the results grid. Export or copy symbols for further analysis, and use alerts or conditional orders when a symbol matches your rules. Regularly update saved scans to reflect changes in your strategy or market regime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.